Yes, hi, hello! Ito naman ako inyong lingkod, Brother Cortez, na bumabati sa inyo lahat. Muling pagpala, umaga, tanghali, hapon at gabi, diyan sa iba't ibang bansa, dito sa Pilipinas, ka-prayer partners man o hindi, kapamanampalataya, kamamanalangin, patuloy po tayong pinagpapala ng Diyos. Amen? Ang kinin mo. At lagi natin tatandaan, kahit kailan hindi ka iniwan ng Diyos, kahit hindi ka pinabayaan ng Diyos. Siyempre, binabati ko rin ang ating mga kumpare, kabaka-brother sa gawain na nasa bansang Japan, paring Dario, paring Pedro, Peter, Paulo Bautista, si paring Ege Veresio na nasa Macau. No, patuloy po kayong pagpalain dyan, mga pare ko, mga brothers. No? At patuloy kayong gamitin mighty and boldly ng ating Diyos na napakabuti. At gawin kayong pagpapala, daluyang pagpapala sa bawat isang makikinig, makakapakinig ng salita, iahayag ninyo sa mga taong nangangailangan ng tulong sa Diyos. Amen? Amen? Amen. At this time po, mga kapatid, love song po. Nawa muli nyo magustuhan, muli mabless po kayo. Lord, all free, Lord. Ikaw po muli ang mga parangalan, madakil at mapasalamatan at mapapurihan. Yesterday, when I was young, the taste of life was sweet, like rain upon my tongue. I tasted life as if it were a foolish game, the way an evening breeze would tease a candle flame. The thousand dreams I dreamed, the splendid things I planned, I always built to last on weekend shift in sand. I lead by night and shunned the naked light of day, and only now I see how the years have run away. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung, so many wild pleasures that lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refused to see. I ran so fast the time, and you the last ran out, and I never stopped to think what life was all about. And every conversation that I can recall concerns itself with me and nothing else at all. Doon po sa mga umabot sa awiting ito, nawa makarelate po kayo. At doon po sa mga hindi naman umabot, pilitin niyo po makarelate. Yesterday the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something new to do. And I used my magic age as if it were a wand, and never saw the waste and emptiness beyond. The game of love I played with arrogance and pride, and every flame I lit so quickly died. The friends I made all seemed somehow to drift away, and only I am left on stage to end the play. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs that waited to be sung, so many wild pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refuse to see. There are so many songs in me that won't be sung, 'cause I feel the bitter taste of tears upon my tongue, and the time has come for me to pay for yesterday.